feel like I'm losing my mind.
In this video, I will share with you an order grabbing platform where you earn money daily by grabbing orders as daily tasks. Do well to watch this video to the end, because I will show you other ways of earning from the platform. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe, and if you're an old member, thanks for watching. For registration, enter an email, login password, transaction password, and make sure you have an invite code. And after that, enter your Telegram and WhatsApp account. Once you're done, tap on register now. After registering a successful account, you'll be redirected to the homepage where you'll find the recharge, withdrawal, salary description, and when you scroll down, you'll find the various VIP levels at the business hall. You'll also see the commission notifications at the bottom of the page. And after registering a successful account, you'll get $90 registration bonus that will help you purchase any of the VIP level. And when you go to VIP, you'll see the amount needed to purchase any of the VIP level and the daily and monthly income. For example, VIP 1 requires $100, so if you recharge $10, you'll be able to purchase it. The daily income is $1.1 and the monthly income is $33. And for VIP 2, you earn $2 daily and $300 monthly if you buy it with $110. The amount you earn depends on your level of VIP. Buy what you can afford. I want to buy VIP 1, so I will scroll up and tap on Join Now. I will copy the USDT address and go to my wallet to make the deposit. I will paste the address and enter the amount I want to recharge. After recharging, I will come back and tap on Submit. Then I will wait for the timer to finish counting, and once I am done, I will go to VIP and check my VIP level. As you can see from here, my current level is VIP 1, and it has been activated. So now, I will go to the homepage and start completing the orders. I will go to the business hall and tap on VIP 1. I will select the task and tap on Submit to complete it. I will go back and do same for the rest of the task until I am done with all the 5 orders. I have completed all the tasks, so I will go to mine and check my balance. As you can see here, the amount has been added to my account. So now, I will tap on withdrawal and bind my withdrawal address. I will paste my USDT address and enter my transaction password and submit it. It is successful, so I will enter the amount and my payment password. Once I'm done, I will tap on Submit and wait for my withdrawal to reflect. Now, if I go to Team, I will be able to get my referral link and code to invite my friends to the platform. And if you invite friends to join and recharge, the platform will give you some reward as referral commission. The reward you earn depends on the level of your subordinate and the amount they recharge. Now, if you go to salary description, I have received notifications about my withdrawal, so I will tap on it and check my wallet. As you can see, my withdrawal has reflected, and there was no withdrawal fee or deduction. As you can see, my withdrawal has reflected, and there was no deduction or fee. If you come back to the site and select salary description, you'll be able to get a detailed summary of how you can earn from the platform. Remember to complete the task every day to earn the daily profit from the platform. Thanks for watching this video. Please do well to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications.